Slice. Please forgive us. To fulfill the wishes of the Yamazaki Syndicate, we lowly women dared to covet your body. While we deserve nothing less than to be brutally torn from limb to limb, please give these children, your own flesh and blood, a chance to be born. Leader of the Yamazaki Syndicate, Shingen Yamazaki. Yamazaki Syndicate Leader Tiger Ghost, Shingen Yamazaki. Vice Leader. It is done. Lower your voice. I apologize. Our leader is in seclusion. What's all the fuss about? All the daughters of Yakuza families are with the leader's child. Yamazaki Syndicate Vice Leader Shintaro Yamazaki. That is most welcome news. The Yamazaki Syndicate lost to Gaprion Kim's Fist Gang. And the event that transpired then has left our leader in a state of torpor. But that doesn't mean we should sit on our hands and do nothing. The Yamazaki clan desperately needs a powerful leader for the next generation. Which is why we gathered here the daughters of Japan's elite Yakuza families, and had them lie with our listless leader in order to become pregnant by him. Sowing the most virile of seeds in prime, fertile soil. And they have all borne fruit. Yes. Surely one of them will be the hope of the Yamazaki Syndicate. Wish. Flip. Vice Leader. So today is the day. The children are being born. Was there anything out of the ordinary with them? That will determine the fate of this clan. There's nothing out of the ordinary with the children born so far. War. I see. Have the heavens forsaken the Yamazakis? Vice Leader. The midwife just sent word that the fourth child has been born. And what of it? Somi Park of the Fourth Hanger clan. She gave birth to the strongest child of all. He has black eyes with white irises. Gun Park. How time flies. Indeed. Young Master is already 5 years old. He's so clearly gifted that the ghostly brothers have now taken to teaching him themselves. They teach him something, he perfects it in less than a month, such incredible talent befitting the son of our leader. Yamazaki Syndicate Gun Park. At this rate, he'll soon surpass his teachers. But it's a shame. What is? He is still using that lowly Park family name. When do you think he will finally do so? Because our leader is yet to bestow him one. Don't you worry. Our leader will soon regain his vigor. This child will be the hope of the Yamazaki clan. And bestow young Master with a suitable name. He will never have to resort to using the Park name. Father. Ah. Observing young Master again, were you? Yamazaki Syndicate, Haruto Yamazaki. Young Master might start feeling self-conscious if you keep staring at him so relentlessly. Ha, is that so? Where are you off to in such a hurry? To the library. I heard some new books had just arrived. Very good. You must work hard so that you can assist Gun when he is leader. Yes, Father. It's a shame about Haruto as well. What do you mean? It just seems like such a waste. Haruto is a very talented young man as well. In fact, Haruto is more suited for the role of the head of the Yamazaki clan than Gun. If it weren't for Gun, the Yamazaki clan abides by its rules. In the Yamazaki clan, the firstborn son always becomes the successor. As such, Gun must become the next leader. Kraza. If you ever suggest something that goes against our rules, I will rip your intestines out with my bare hands. Do not forget. Gun is the Yamazaki Syndicate's only hope. Very good. What did you do today? Gun? I played Kendama * with my friends. You played Kendama? Slap? You spent the day playing with a silly toy? I couldn't understand. You wasted time playing? You are the next leader of the Yamazaki Syndicate? Kendama? When you haven't even received your name yet? Why do I need to be stronger? Wake up. At this rate, you'll never receive your name and become the next head of this clan. But I already have a name. You are the hope of the Yamazaki Syndicate. You are my fervent wish realized. Please, comport yourself accordingly. What? Did I just hear what I think I heard? You sure did. Come work for me. I couldn't understand. Isn't this kid in elementary school? Are you in kidding me right now? Why muse I fight? How dare you disrespect your elders? Little s*****. Step. But even though I didn't understand, I had to do it. Life ain't a game how? Fighting was easy. Why you little? Whoosh. It was as though I'd been fighting since before birth. Wham! My body moved with ease and speed. Smash. And it was pretty fun too. But? What are you talking about? The high school coalition bastards are coming for us? And their leader is an elementary school student? What? The other organizations were all decimated by some elementary school kid? In the span of a single day? Step, and now it's our turn? Step. Huh? He plans to take us, the Blue Dragon Express, down in the same day? We are free people. We serve no leader. Tell that kid to cut the bulls ***** and piss off. We are the Blue Dragon, thud. Swar. What am I? Why must I do this? Why am I different? A dad. A son. A mom. You did well. Why is my family different? Uniting all those groups in a single day, an achievement befitting the next head of the Yamazaki household. Fighting makes my mom happy. I see, I'm only loved if I fight. I'm only loved if I hurt others. Slap? I was curious. Drip. Very good. I see. Become even crueler and more brutal. Consider everything beneath you. This is how I was born. It is a characteristic that the leader of the Yamazaki Syndicate must possess. This is where I was born. Slide. Greetings, leader. Shingen. Your child united all the violent gangs in the vicinity into a single organization. Don't you think he deserves to have a name bestowed by you? I understand. Still, I won't give up. I will wait until you turn to face me. But there was someone. Don't do that. Who treated me like a normal person. You're hurting that poor butterfly. Haruto Yamazaki. You must not torment those weaker than yourself. My cousin. Why not? And the one person who kept me grounded. Tormenting those weaker than yourself is essentially no different from tormenting yourself. And the first person to ever. I don't want you to fight. Give me comfort. Gun. You do not belong to anybody but yourself. Excuse me? What did you just say? You do not wish to become leader? That's right. Slap. Come to your senses. Have you forgotten who you are? You are the hope of the Yamazaki clan, clench, and you must make Gaprion Kim's fist gang pay for the humiliation we suffered at their hands. You'll never be able to avenge the clan if you show such weakness. Who dared plant such thoughts in your head? It was I didn't know. I had no idea what would happen next. Haruto Yamazaki said that to you? In the Yamazaki clan, the firstborn always inherits the title. No one can be exempt from that rule. We must cut him out. We must cut out the person who influenced you thusly. We must cut out the person who influenced you thusly. You have until tonight. Even if that person is my own son. Haruto Yamazaki. Kill him. I had to make a choice. PTJ Comic.